Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Basavaraju. In today's video, we are going to learn what is Picklist field in Salesforce, how to create Picklist field, what is local Picklist, what is global Picklist, difference between global Picklist and local Picklist, when we actually use this Picklist data type. So let's start with what is Picklist field in Salesforce. In Salesforce, a Picklist is a field that provides user with a predefined list of values. For example, I will go to my account objects, open one record. So I will click on edit mode. We have one field like industry. So when you click on this drop down, we can see there's a lot of list of values. So this is we call it as pick list. User can directly select these values by just clicking on that. Then what is the use of this pick list data type in Salesforce? Pick list helps in data consistency, avoiding spelling mistakes, better reporting, clean data management. In all these things, pick lists are very important to us. So first we will go with one example, then it will more easier to understand. Currently I have one object like receipts. In here we have some records. In here we have some bills. I need to create one more field with pick list data types. First you need to click on gear icon, go to edit objects, click on fields and relationship. So just click on new custom field. So in here, in drop down, we need to select the data types. So I will select as pick list. So there is a description like allow user to select the value from the list you define. Then click on next. So in here, we need to mention the pick list value label. I will give it as status. In values, we have two types in Salesforce. One is local pick list, one is global pick list. So then what is the global pick list value? A global pick list is a reusable set of values. For example, we have a country list. So sometimes we need to select the country. In that time, we will go with global pick list value. Means once you define all the values, we can reuse that whenever we want. In that time, we will go with global pick list value set. When you click on local pick list, a local pick list is created directly inside an object. That value belongs to only that particular object that cannot be reused in any other object. We need to enter the pick list value. I will add the values like new, pending, approved. So then click on next. Then click on make it as visible. Save. Our pick list is created successfully. Now we can check with that status. So status pick list value is present. Then I will go to page layout. I will arrange that field. Go to receipt layout. So the status is present in here. So I will click on save. Once I click on save, I will go to my receipt object. I will make it as on order press. Once you order press, just try to click on new. So in here, our status field is present. So we have new pending upload values. Go to your existing record. In existing record also, you can see that particular field is present. So this is how we can create pick list values in Salesforce. I hope you understand this thing. Thank you for watching.